Hey guys, welcome back to another video. First off, pardon my appearance. This is another last minute video. Threw my hair up into a bun. The background is a hot mess, but it's okay. You know why? Burgerfi. Do you have a Burgerfi near you? Because before I found the location that this one's at, I never knew this existed. And brought the ketchup up. And when they first opened, they didn't have any vegan options, like maybe the fries. No burgers. The veggie burger had like milk in it, eggs, cheese, whatever. It wasn't up until recently I found out that they have the Beyond Meat burgers there. Oh, God, are you kidding me? The Beyond Meat, you know, the burger that bleeds, that you saw me eat in like 5 videos ago, maybe less. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh my God, it's such a mess. Hold up. Okay. So for one, I don't know how we're gonna set this up. I have a new like stand for the camera to make sure you can see my whole head, because before it was cut off. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna try and... It's not high enough. It's not high enough. That'll work. That'll work. Okay. First bag. And it smells so good, by the way. This is the burger. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. God damn, why is it cold? I want to go heat it up now. It's a little room temp, but that's okay. And then we got a lot of fries. Ooh, yes. Oh, yes. These fries, oh, focus. Focus. These fries are similar to Five Guy fries. So good. Alright. Take it out of there. Got a couple dipping sauces for you. Sorry if it's a little blurry. So we have regular ketchup, which I'll put that there. Regular ketchup. We got some vegan honey mustard. Yes, yes. I'll put that over there. And then we have some vegan mayo. Put some on here. Ketchup on there too. I really wish the burger was like hot. We picked it up. Well, he picked it up, Brandon. We don't live far from it at all, though. So I do not understand why. All right, can we just start? Cause I'm gonna just start. I'm gonna mix the mayo and ketchup together. You see that a little bit? Alright. I can't use this stand to eat. It just sucks, but at least for now, let me just hold it up like that. Get in there. Get some action. Oh, this is mind-blowing, like. Wow. And then got some of this. It's like a lime fusion drink. I don't know. I get it for the color. I love that color. And then Brandon got orange soda. Thanks. Tastes like kind of like Mountain Dew and Squirt mixed into one. Very similar. It's good. Let me see if I can at least set you up on this camera to have some sort of height or whatever. Yum. So a lot of people like vegetarians and vegans, they don't like this burger because how realistic it is. It's very realistic. Like, you can see the, not really. I mean, if you normally would get medium rare burger, then it would still be like pink and red. And that's what this is because of the beets in it. But like the taste and the texture, with everything else combined with it, it's crazy. A little freaky. So a lot of people like to argue to vegetarians and vegans, like, if you don't like eating animals and killing animals, or you don't like the taste of animals, then why are you eating things that are similar to it? There's one simple answer, and it's because it's not an animal. I was gonna say we never said, but most people don't go vegan or vegetarian because they don't like the taste of animals, meat, cheese, and all that. Like, it tastes good. Like, let's be honest, it does. But you're killing a being that doesn't want to be killed and that doesn't need to be killed for us to survive. So if we can find alternatives that taste similar and that do the same job but better as far as protein, no cholesterol, less fat, and all of that, then why not do it? You shouldn't be eating red meat anyways because it's so terrible. Like, all animal products are terrible for you. Do your own research. You don't have to believe me. But red meat especially, there are more and more people quitting, or not quitting, that are done eating red meat and feel so much better. And this is an awesome alternative. Very high in fat, but there's no cholesterol because it's a plant, and or it's made from plants, and less fat than meat. It's a healthier alternative. You're not supposed to eat this all the time, but when you're craving a burger every now and then, it's an amazing choice. It's very good. I think everyone should make small changes in their diets and what they eat. Like, you don't have to cut animal products out cold turkey like I did. But where's your napkin? What's in there? You don't have to cut cold turkey like I did overnight, but maybe like once a week, a couple times a week, one meal a day, and just see how you feel afterwards. It's incredible. Enough of that. I don't want to become a preachy vegan. That ain't me. Listen to this BS real quick. This is really good. So, a couple videos ago, I think I mentioned it multiple, like my eyes and how I feel like I have a problem with them. My depth perception is like way off. I couldn't drive as it is because my anxiety was so bad from, you know that story. If you don't, check it out, my anxiety, panic attack story. Hold on, burp coming. But yeah, I just knew that there was something wrong with my vision. And I've been meaning to get my eyes checked for a while now, but always put it off. God, this fucking chair. So I finally scheduled an appointment, went in, got my eyes checked. I can't tell you the last time I did. I was probably like under 10 years old. And it was just kind of like all right, tell me, you know, what letters do you see and how small, blah, blah, blah. So I got my eyes checked. I got the puff test and all that shit. Ugh. I don't like it. I don't like anything to do with my eyes, talking about it, like none of it. So got my eyes checked, told the I guess assistant, she wasn't the doctor, she was like, I don't know, the receptionist. I'm not good with terminology. So I said, you know, my depth perception's off. I feel like there's something wrong with my left eye. Like when I look at myself in videos and in pictures, it just looks weird, like it's off doing its own thing, whatever. So we're doing tests, and thought I had a burp. Doctor comes in, yada yada yada. We're doing like these different things, and she's like, tell me what's more clear, this one or this one. Now what about now and now, blah blah blah. Turns out I have astigmatism, which I've only ever heard of it from the AccuV commercials. I still had to Google it after she told me what it meant. But it's basically like my eye, my right eye in particular, it kind of just, Google it yourself. I don't remember, but my right eye just kind of like falls off track and does its own thing. I guess it kind of sounds like a lazy eye, but it's not. And also, I don't know the term for it, not your retina, but like most eyes are in the shape of a sphere, but mine is more of in the shape of a football. So it like curves out more. So she prescribed me to wear glasses. I got out of the office and I spent the next like 45 minutes looking up and down all the different types of glasses and brands and men's and women's. It was really hard because I have a very big head, like wide eyes, big forehead, and there were most of the glasses were really small, especially the women's. So I geared more towards the men's side. But we ended up finding a pair of Ray-Bans that I narrowed it down to a pair of Ray-Bans and a pair of Versace, but I just like the way the Ray-Bans fit more. So we ordered it and I should be getting them in a week. I'm happy about that, but I'm also like a little sad about it. Because I'm wondering like, how do people get astigmatism? I'm not surprised that I have it. It's more common than not. And I don't know. I'm hoping it's not a forever thing. But it is what it is. It's just gonna be like completely weird seeing myself wearing glasses. And they said that the first few days / weeks or week, it's gonna feel weird wearing them, and I'm gonna think like, what, you know, are these meant to be for me? Like, it seems off. They're not my right prescription. No, ma'am. No. So yeah, but that should make my eyes stronger wearing the right prescription, and it'll bring my eye back to focus and strengthen them that way. Sheesh. So yeah, your girl's about to be 4 eyes. I don't know if it's gonna be a video after this or 2 videos after this. It depends. I have family in town right now visiting from New York, so well, I'm gonna be hanging out with them and also working. Just been busy, you know. We'll see, but yeah, be prepared to see that. This is so good. Like, even though it's not super hot or hot at all, it's really good. Oh, damn. Oh, I really want another one. But I shouldn't. A few of you have been wanting me to do like challenges, like the Sprite and banana, Mentos and Coke. Like, I'm all about challenges and stuff, but anything that has to do with me like throwing up, I will never do, ever. I'm not that kind of person. I absolutely hate throwing up. I would say I throw up maybe once a year, and that is if I'm like deathly sick or extremely hungover or like drunk, you know. But no, absolutely despise throwing up so much. Last bite. Last bite. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, this smells crazy good. I want the honey mustard. Trying to think of like what type of video to do next or what mukbang. I don't want this to be my last sip. Gotta settle for water for the remaining of the fries. Oh yeah, I'm definitely full. Yo, this fry looks weird / cool. Oh, and now it's on the floor. Why do I always make a mess? Honestly, why? So I hope everyone's having an awesome day. Today's Friday, and I'm off from work. Just kind of chilling around the house with Brandon. It's a lazy day because I worked a double yesterday. I've just been feeling drained. Like, honestly, like if I'm being honest, I want, like my goal is to have my own business / have a job doing what I love, and that is making videos. That's anything plant-based, vegan related. Like, I would love. Like, I hate going into my job, a restaurant that's not vegan. Customers asking me like, oh, how does this taste? What do you recommend? Is this good? I don't lie. I don't lie to them whatsoever. But it's just, I'm unhappy being around that kind of environment. Instead of like being around like-minded people. People that enjoy the same things I do. Not saying vegan. I would love to work in a vegan environment, 100%. But like, people that are interested in the same things I'm interested in, or better yet, people that are motivated and have work ethic